Alright, y'all. This is going to be a very quick video, I am assuming. So I have found a way to make your sourdough less tangy if you don't want it to be sour. I personally like it pretty sour, but if you're doing a sweeter loaf, like with lemon, blueberry, or if you want to do like chocolate chip or something like that, and you want a sweeter loaf, and you don't want something so acidic, I have found the perfect way to make it better. And I've also found a way to make your sourdough more, I've found a way to make your sourdough more soft, more tender and crumb. So if that is something you're looking for, this is the answer for you. I'm going to show you how I'm going to do it. I do have some back here that I'm going to use in the next video, which I'm going to do hamburger buns. I think I have a video on hamburger buns, but I've never done them with a sweet starter. So we're going to give that a try. So if that's something you're interested in, come back for the next video. Anyway, what I'm going to do is I like to measure my stuff on a scale. I know a lot of people don't, but I do. So I'm going to take about a tablespoon of honey and add that in here. This I also have found, adding honey makes your sourdough starter activate a lot faster. So if you're in a rush, if you're in a hurry, if your starter seems sluggish, this is also a perfect way to get it going. So I added about a tablespoon of honey. In here I've got about 60 grams of starter, so that's what it looks like. And now I'm gonna just add my normal ratio as I would for a normal feed. So for me, I feed mine at 1 to 1 to 1. So that's what I'm gonna do. I also do not use filtered water. I know a lot of people believe in filtered water for your starter. I have never used filtered water for it, and it's always been fine. So do with that information what you will. Alright, I'm just going to add my regular flour. Alright, that is that. That is literally that. I will come back in the morning and show you all how bubbly and active this is. But in case you are new here, my name is Linnea, and we live in the suburbs, and we are on a mission to become semi-self-sufficient. We garden, we can, we do sourdough, we do fun recipes. So if that is something you're interested in, consider subscribing. It would mean a lot to me. If not, that is cool too. Thank you for being here. Anyway, that's that. Like I said, I will be back in the morning and show you all what it looks like. It is currently 7 p.m. at night. I might show you what it looks like in like 3 hours, because I think it will probably definitely be active in a couple hours. So I might show you then. I might show you in the morning. Either way, excuse my dog. Either way, I will show you the effects of the honey. So I'll see you all in the morning or this evening, whichever. Okay, so it is the next morning, and you can see how active, how bubbly this starter is. So using honey definitely 100% works, and I can tell you that the starter itself is not very sweet using that amount of honey. So if you want to see what I do with this, if you want to see the next video about hamburger buns and a sweet sourdough loaf with chocolate chips in it, come back on Saturday and the following Tuesday, and you'll probably get to see that unless I change my mind. I do that a lot. But I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it helps.
Calvin, okay. Just make sure you went outside. In the ghettos. Yeah. Plants growing.